Welcome to Pehalwan's recipe classes. So today we are going to discuss like how is SAP designed to achieve the requirements of a business, requirement of any business, whether it is small business or big business. So requirement, the meaning of requirement means if they want to do day-to-day business activity and if they want to do the data maintenance, so which software they use. So I'm talking from the point of view of SAP, which is the ERP tool, as we know. Guys, you can be please watch this video till the last so that you can get an understanding like how this SAP ERP tool was developed, and how its sub modules and modules was developed to achieve the to make it ready so that the business any business can do the day-to-day business activity, and they can have a view of their reports, which is very helpful for any business. So guys, very first is what is SAP. As we know, in my previous classes I have already explained. SAP stands for System Application Products in Data Processing, and it was developed by five former IBM engineers in 1972. And it is the ERP centralized management system, and firstly it was released in German language, and its headquarters is in Germany. But now we have the multiple languages, as we know, English and other languages. So to know like how this SAP ERP tool was designed and developed, we should first understand. We can understand with the help of this example, which you can see over the screen. So guys, for example, there is juice selling vendor in India, and naming his business name is Noor Juice Selling Business. Noor Juice, okay, selling business, and it's based in New Delhi, and he has started from first stall in Karol Bagh in Delhi, then Connaught Place second stall, third stall in Alipur. So means, for example, you can understand with the help of this example, a Noor juice selling vendor is there. He has started his juice business in New Delhi, and in New Delhi, in different location in Delhi itself, he has opened three stalls. First in Karol Bagh, second in Connaught Place, third in Alipur, which are the different locations in Delhi, New Delhi. Okay, after getting the success, he decided to open its branch in another state. Not its branch. He wanted to do another business. He wanted to start snacks business in West Bengal. So he started the snacks business in West Bengal, and in West Bengal he started first stall in Salt Lake, Kolkata, and second stall in Howrah, which are the different places in West Bengal. So this business is related to snacks selling, and the first business was juice selling. So now they have got success. For example, they have got success, and then they decided, the owner of this Noor business decided, they want to they want to do now day-to-day business activity, record the business activity in any of the ERP tools. So owner, for example, owner Noor, suppose Noor is the owner of this Noor juice selling business. So his friend suggested him he can go with the best ERP tool, which is SAP. So for this, he was suggested. So he for this and he then decided to go to approach the IT consulting company. They wanted to use SAP ERP tool to do the day-to-day business activity, and they can have the access of the reports or data maintenance. So for this, Noor, who is the owner of this Noor Juice and Noor Snacks business, he approached to IT company, IT consulting company. We know there are so many IT consulting company in India, in across the world also. So first, they are IT consultants. Okay, Noor approached to IT consulting company. IT consultant then will they will discuss with the Noor what kind of business transaction they want to post. Okay, then Noor, the owner, who is the owner, and his employees, they will confirm They want to like they are actually in their business activity, they are paying rent, they want to record this. Okay, they are paying they are giving salaries to the employees, they want to record this. They are making juices, so for this they are buying the fruits from the fruit vendors, they want to record it. They are selling the juices to customers, they want to record it. And they want to see the trial balance and financial statements like profit and loss balance sheet. So these are the requirements they want to achieve. These are the requirements they want to achieve. On the request of IT consultants, they are confirming these requirements. Okay, so after that, what I mean, they want to achieve this day-to-day business activity. They want to see the reports like financial statement and trial balance. So IT consultants now got the idea like what they want to do the postings. Then they will recommend. Then they will suggest. Do one thing. Uh, we can achieve your rent paying or salary paying requirement with the help of SAP FI module and CO module. And in the FI module, we need to have general ledger accounting sub modules. And in the controlling, we should have cost center accounting and cost element accounting sub modules in controlling. So SAP FIGL and SAP CO cost center and cost element accounting should be implemented. Then we can achieve your this requirement. Okay. Then IT consultant will say to achieve this fruit buying from vendor, we can achieve from SAP Finance Accounts Payable module. So this module should be implemented. For selling to the customers, we can achieve this SAP FI Account Receivable module, and to they can see the report. So for this one, with these three modules, we can see the reports. Okay, so please try to understand. So now IT consultants will suggest to Noor, okay, and his employees, you guys need to purchase the SAP license from SAP Labs India, because we know like this SAP Labs almost in all countries. They are available in all country. Headquarters is in Germany, but we have a SAP Labs India also. Okay, so we suggested, IT consultant suggested this, go and buy SAP FI and CO module, in which SAP FI in a SAP FI GL submodule is required, in SAP FI AP and SAP FI AR module is required, and SAP CO module, cost center and cost element submodules are required. So we will suggest to buy SAP FI and CO modules license. Okay, then they will Noor and his employees will go to SAP Labs and they will buy the license. Okay, for SAP FICO. Now IT consultant job will be started. Now what, after collecting the basic requirement, they will prepare the they will start doing the documentation. Okay, which is the part of implementation phase. I am not going to that in that direction. Just my intention today is to give you the how the developers, okay, how the IBM engineers keeping the requirements, how they develop this one. So this is my idea today to discuss with you guys. So now see, IT consultant will on the basis of this requirement, IT consultants will prepare this organization structure document. Okay, see, Noor group of companies. This is the company, right? This is the client. Means we have different database. A database is called as client, in which whatever the day-to-day business activity is being done, that will be stored, and that will be that will be stored and retrieved. So there are three different. One is development, which is used by IT consultants. One is quality, which is used for testing from the user side, and production, a live environment where day-to-day business activity are carried out. Okay, so now the very first will be data a client, where that can be analyzed on the basis of and customer products and area location. So with the help of operating concern, it can be achieved. So mainly what controlling area will help, it will help in the cost cutting and improve the output, improve the quality of the output with the less cost. So this will help with the help of, and it is for internal analysis and decision making, internal management reporting, controlling area. Now see, as per the Noor business, Noor is having one company code, one entity related to juice selling in Delhi, and another entity it has snack selling in West Bengal. Both are separate entity. Now, for juice selling, it has three branches in Delhi itself. So so those branch we need to define, that is called as profit centers. Means company code is same, entity is same, but they have different three branch for this juice selling. So that is called as profit center, and for West Bengal snack center there are two profit centers. Okay, so this is the, you can see the structure. Noor group of company, and Noor group of company we will link with company code. There are two company code, one for juice selling, second one is for snack selling. Credit control area means credit limit is set with the help of credit control area based on the behavior of the customers. Means what the credit limit we want to set. If the customer is good, we will extend the credit limits. If it is not, then we will not extend the credit limits at a time of sale, at a time of selling the goods. Okay, financial management area helps to prepare the financial and management reports. Okay, now see how I am defining this structure. Noor group of company. This is company code. Company code is linked with credit control area and financial management area. And now this is controlling area, right? Controlling area is linked with profit center standard hierarchy, and then it is linked with profit center group. So we are defining two groups. One for Delhi related, okay, and second one is for West Bengal related. Okay, so you can see, and now like you can see the segment means what is the line of business. Means suppose it is juice selling, and second one is snacks related. And what is functional area? Functional area means department wise, admin, HR, finance, like this, so on you can see. And area of business area, we will define the business area on the basis of location. Suppose in our case it can be on the basis of district, state, whatever, as per the requirement. Means with the help of area of business we want to generate the financial reports. So that is can be achieved with the help of business area. So we are decided to create two business area, Delhi and for West Bengal. Okay, now see SAP SAP FICO license Noor business people have purchased. Now IT consultant will, how IT consultant will do this one, do this implementation. You can see for SAP FIGL submodule, I what how this developers, IBM engineers developed, designed this SAP finance modules. We can see there. So to achieve, like, the main requirement is to do the day-to-day business activity. This is the main. Noor business people want to do the day-to-day business activity, and they want to have access of reports. This is their requirement. To achieve this requirement, now IT consultants have to do the settings in the system. So these settings which they have to do, how IBM engineers developed this software to do the settings. Okay, so they firstly what they designed, what they developed. I'm talking about IBM engineers who developed this one in 1972. How to achieve any business requirement, how they have designed and how they have developed this SAP software. Okay, so you can see they first developed this enterprise structure. In the enterprise structure, they developed company code so that IT consultant can configure, can do the settings. But that option should be there, right? So this option, IBM engineers in 1972 they developed enterprise structure, company code, okay, business area, consolidation business area, credit control area, functional area, segment, and then assignment of company code to company, assignment of company code to credit control area, assignment of business area to consolidation business area. So they develop these things so that IT consultant can do the configuration. Okay, now global parameters. Once the company is there, company code is there, business area is there. Okay, now you see we this Noor business people wants to do day to day, they want to post the journal entry, right? They want to post a business transaction. For example, they are paying rent by cash, rent account debit to cash account credit, right? So for this, they need GL accounts, and then not only GL accounts, they need the list of the GL accounts, which is called as chart of account. So that's why IBM engineers have done this one. They have developed this chart of account, and they in which year, yearly wise, we want to do the reporting, we want to do the accounting. Noor business wants to do the accounting. So fiscal year variant, posting period variant. Posting period variant means in which month posting has to be done. So currency settings. Currency setting means exchange rate related. If Noor business people is buying or selling from outside India, so then exchange rate related settings will be there. Field status variant means uh, what all the fields we want to control at a time of journal entry posting, document posting. So this we can achieve with the help of field status variant. So this one they developed. Okay. So this is the main, you can see. And now new GL configuration. New GL accounting configuration means document splitting. We want to split the document based on the profit center business area. We want to split. Means rent account to cash account. If we want to use different profit center, the document will be splitted. Okay, so this one you can see my previous videos in detail if you want to see the document splitting related in depth. And document types and number ranges, so that any journal entry will be posted, business transaction, that will be posted with the help of document number. So that should be defined. That should be defined. So these things they have developed. IBM engineers, you can see company code. Company means for example Tata group of company, right? And then Tata Motors is company code, Tata Consultancy is a company code, and so on. Other businesses, they are separate entity, and they have to registered under Companies Act in India. Every different company code will have to be registered under their company code. Like Tata Consultancy Services, they have to be registered with separately. They have to be registered. Tata Motors, they have to be registered separately. Same way, same way. I'm telling here. Noor Juice selling business, it is separate business identity, and Noor Snacks is separate business identity. Okay, separate business entity. So now a GL account, this is how they have given the options to implement or to configure or to do the settings for IT consultants. IBM. Now how they designed this SAP FI accounts payable module. They define the they have given option to configure, define account group with screen layout. Account group, then number ranges for account groups. Okay, means vendor accounts will have the number ranges, right? And then we need to assign number range to vendor account group, and then tolerance group for vendor and customer, and same document types we need, so that the any accounts payable related document will be posted, it will have that number ranges. And maintain payment terms. Maintain payment terms means whether we want to pay to the customers immediately or within 10 days, 15 days, whatever. So that has to be configured. Similarly, you can see the account receivable side. These are the things same as accounts payable. And now SAP controlling module, because any cost related, any expense related posting is happening. For example, they are paying rent, they are giving salary. So these are the cost related, right? So it will be so here this controlling module is required. Okay, so what IBM engineers had defined: controlling area, then maintain controlling area setting, then number ranges for controlling documents. The controlling documents is required to have number ranges, maintain versions, cost element accounting. You can see these are the options, and cost center accounting. So this is how they have defined the they have designed and they have developed the SAP finance and controlling module. I have not discussed all sub modules. I have discussed just finance GL sub module, finance AP AR sub module. Okay, so this is what I have discussed for today. So hope you guys have understood. So whenever what I what I guess, they IBM engineers got into their mind, like The requirement is to do the day-to-day posting, and they want to have the data maintenance, and they can have access of that data. This is the main requirement. So keeping this thing in their mind, they develop these options. Like a company needs, like any business, there will be company, there will be company code, there will be business area. Okay, and then the company code should be assigned to company. Okay, now they should have the chart of account, they should have financial fiscal year variant, posting period variant. So these things are required. So they design these things so that now IT consultant will do and configure these things, so that once these are configured in the system, we can hand over the system to business. We can hand over the business to business to do the day-to-day business activity. So main requirement is to do the day-to-day business activity and data maintenance, and to see the reports. And then IBM engineers developed in 1972. Now IT consultants from different IT consulting firms, they IT consultants will do the configurations, and after doing the configurations, they do the testing in development system. And after that, the configuration changes will be moved to quality system, and in quality system, IT consultant will help users. For example, in this case, IT consultant will help Noor users, Noor employees users to do the testing in quality system. And once they are fine, they will give the approvals, user acceptance testing approval. Then IT consultant will move these changes from development system to production system, and then IT consultant will hand over the production system to Noor consulting, Noor business, Noor this juice selling business and Noor snacks business, to do their day-to-day business activity now in the SAP ERP tool. Okay, and that's all. Means I hope you guys have understood. So please like my channel and subscribe my channel, so that any videos if I will bring, so you can have a view for that one. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Take care.